Hey everyone, want to learn how to use PowerShell 7 on Windows? PowerShell 7 is Microsoft's modern command line shell and scripting platform that helps you manage your computer, automate tasks, and run powerful commands. In this full guide, I'll show you the basics of using PowerShell 7 step by step, so let's get started. First, open the Start menu, type PowerShell 7, and launch the application. If you need administrative privileges, right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. Before running advanced commands, learn a few basics. Use the following commands to see your current folder, list files, and change directories. Get location, get child item, set location, C, \users. If you're unsure how a command works, PowerShell includes a built-in help system. You can search for commands and read their documentation directly from the terminal. Get help, get process, get command * process. Now let's try a few useful commands. You can view running processes, check services, and display system information with just a few lines. Get process, get service, get computer info. PowerShell 7 also allows you to automate tasks with scripts. Create a script with the PS1 extension and run it directly from PowerShell. If script execution is restricted, you may need to adjust your execution policy. My script, finally, customize PowerShell 7 to match your workflow. You can install modules, personalize your profile, use Windows Terminal, and add helpful tools like Predictive IntelliSense for an even better command line experience. And that's how to use PowerShell 7 on Windows. Once you understand the basic commands, help system, and scripting features, you'll be ready to automate tasks and manage your computer much more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.